I'm not going to do that.
Do it.
Let's go. No. Okay, that would be.
Rawr. Hey guys, we're back again with another video. Finally, it's been a month.
Hair series.
Been a month.
Another hair episode, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to be doing my sister's hair. It's going to be inspired by Alicia Keys braids.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
it's going to still be
you
my
know the
own
vibes.
thing.
You know the vibes, Queen Solia. You know the vibes. I know you see my sweater.
No. So we're just going to get right into it because I be taking forever and this needs to be done.
It needs to be done.
She's asking for a lot.
She's gonna eat and leave no crumbs.
I have,
my Eco.
yes, we're using her products because we're not using mine.
Period.
Then we have some cream of nature with argan oil. And we got just a brush and a combs, you know. We're gonna get started now. Part across behind the ear is where we're gonna start. I'm just gonna part here. We're not taking forever on these parts, man.
I mean, we could just go across the street to the park right here. Oh, yeah, hold up. My cell phone ringing. Hold up. Can you hear me now? Yeah. So what day did you say? Oh, yeah. Thursday's perfect, man. It feels like baby, I swear. It's like
Okay, guys, so I just finished parting like half of it, you know, just across the ear, you know, right here. This is inspired by Alicia Keys' hairstyle, so we are gonna try our best here.
I just really want my edges laid.
Okay, she wants her edges laid.
Y'all see my edges? My baby hairs. They be giving. Period. Where she went?
Yes, we listening to the gospel. Don't. Why would? Oh. Finished parting little sections here. Well, they're actually pretty big, but they're gonna get smaller as I, you know, braid. So we have now section right here, section right here. I'm not gonna take out the clips, but in the middle, and then right here.
Y'all can see it.
Yeah, but
y'all have eyes.
Okay, now we're gonna get started on this side braiding.
some creativity. Like Alicia Keys with her hairstyle, she got like a lot of different designs in her braids.
Yeah.
So that's basically what she's just doing. She's just doing her thing. Because this is inspired. It's not like
that style.
Yeah.
But
I'm just letting her be creative, be her.
Yeah. Because, I'm doing this for the free for her.
You're my sister.
Yeah. But I still need to, I need that cash.
I will pay you. I'll pay you with the cash if I had some. I ain't got no cash.
You is a lie.
I'm not a lie. You know I paid you last time.
What did you pay me? Exactly what did you pay me?
We're not talking about how much. We're not talking about.
You ain't pay me nothing. I asked you for a Milky Way. I asked you to buy me a Milky Way. What did you come home with? Snacks for yourself. Now get out of here.
This is the other side. She just did 2 simple braids here, but right over here, we got the hot diggity. She gonna do some more over here when she gets done.
There's gonna be some more over there.
She just needs to figure out what she doing.
Yeah, because I'm just going along with the flow.
Play with me because
don't play with me.
I have to wear the hairstyle.
Listen,
okay,
I
have to wear the hairstyle. I know you have to do it, but I gave you what I want, and I don't want my hair looking like rick rack whoop wop. Stop. Calm down, spirit. When you move, you make my heart pound.
Do y'all see how much
when you feel the room?
Stop.
And it feels like ooh, but you don't know why. Like ooh, but you don't know why. And it feels like ooh, but you don't know why.
Fine.
Okay, y'all, but look at my hair though. Y'all see that? Look up close on that. Just get a close up.
Okay, guys, so it's like 5:30. I told you guys in the beginning. When I said I'm slow, I'm slow. Okay, guys, it is like about six something, and we had to take like long breaks in between this, so yeah, that's why
it's taking forever. But we're gonna try to. She's gonna try to Speedy Gonzilla.
Yeah,
is that even how you say his name?
I mean, we could just go across the street to the park right here. Oh, y'all, my cell phone ringing. Hold up. Can you hear me now?
We got everything we need. We got everything we need. I just got everything we need.
So what day did you say? Oh, yeah. Thursday's perfect, man. I feel like baby, I swear, it's like no, and it feels like but you don't know my baby, I swear, it's like
Right, guys, we're almost done.
Yep.
Finally. We only have a little bit
left to do.
left. This is gonna have beads on it, right?
Yeah.
Like right here, it's gonna have beads. Then I have to curl the back. Turn. Girl, don't move my head like that again. Don't.
Move your head.
Destiny, stop playing with me.
Your head.
Y'all, call the people. Call the
I
people.
don't even care anymore.
Call the people.
you don't know my name. Will you ever know? You don't even know what you're doing to me. Got me feeling all crazy inside. I'm feeling like baby, I swear, it's like but you don't know my name. No. And it feels like but you don't know my
Okay, guys, so as you can see, here's my hair. Psych! There's a part in the back.
Period, y'all. I did that. I
She
like
ate. I
that.
think I'm gonna put it back though, because just look at it, y'all. Maybe like a side ponytail. I could do so much things. Like, edges. Y'all, she done ate, and I don't know what to say to y'all other than hit her line. Hit her line.
Yeah, so you
Unless
can be
you got
here for
cash.
7 hours and with at least $100.
No, you better give her 200. If you want your whole head done, you better bring 1,000. My back of my head ain't finna be looking like this. Don't you worry, guys. We're gonna put some rollers in it. Well, I'm gonna do it. But tonight, y'all gonna just see this. But tomorrow, I'm gonna eat. It looks cute.
You know, tomorrow y'all gonna see this.
That's like the finished look, guys. It's so bright. But, you see that? She ate.
Okay, guys, that is the end of this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yes, we hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Make sure you like, subscribe,
and turn because I'm gonna put the screenshot. Hey,
Okay.
98%
That's unbelievable.
not subscribed. 24%. What are you doing? Take your finger and hit the subscribe button.
But anyways, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and share it with your friends or family or anyone who you think will enjoy the video too. And we will see you guys next time.
Peace.
Missing someone